So I heard he was living in the time of a degenerated age, Mappo. What is Mappo?
Yes. The theory of Mappo, the latter days of Buddhism, says that a certain era will come when no one will be able to attain nirvana in the lifetime, when there will be no monks who observe the Buddhist precepts well, because a long time will have passed since Sakyamuni Buddha's death then, and Buddha Dharma will have no longer a power. It was said in the period of Honen Shonin that the Mappo age had already come in 1052. Therefore, with the historical background of Mappo, Pure Land Buddhism became the only hope for the people. Turning to the present situation in the world, materialism, money worship, and a trend away from religion have been spreading. I should say that we're actually in the middle of Mappo.
You mean right this moment too?
Yes.
Wow.